Hello everybody, I'm Ken Clark, editor of Hardware and Building Supply Dealer and HBSDealer.com. This is our top 3 story of the week rundown, brought to you by the Pro Dealer Industry Summit, coming to Louisville, Kentucky, October 8th to 10th. The PDIS is co-hosted by HBS Dealer and the National Lumber and Building Material Dealers Association, and we hope to see you there. This week's top 3 headlines include QXO's Beacon acquisition is official. QXO founder Brad Jacobs said, and I quote, "Acquiring Beacon is a major step forward in our strategy to make QXO the leading tech-enabled company in the $800 billion building products distribution industry." And QXO has been added to the HBS Dealer Stock Watch. Shares are trending up on Friday morning, and you can read more in the links below. Also in our top 3, Lowe's debuts Style Studio in California. Here's another example of how retailers are experimenting with technology to reach customers in new ways, in this case with the use of the Apple Vision Pro platform. And rounding out our top 3, E&E Hardwoods rebuilds and expands. After a December 2024 fire, the Bell County, Kentucky business is investing $2.1 million to expand its sawmill operation. There you have it. Those are our top 3 stories of the week. For more news, analysis, video, and opinion, visit us at HBSDealer.com.